Good morning, it's Jeremy here from Red LBP Property Inspections. This morning we're in a 90s, probably group home builder. Have this interesting joinery going on where the bottom windows have been replaced by plywood, some kind of flat sheet. And when I come down to the bottom corners on the outside, a lot of the black seals have pulled away. And when you take your moisture readings, kind of normal at the top. When we come down to the bottom corners, they're all elevated in these bottom corners. So that's just on wet, just over 80. This corner's a lot worse. So don't tell anybody I do this. I've pulled the carpet up. How am I going to do this with only two hands? I've pulled the carpet up and the flooring is not happy. Ta-da! It's rotten. And you can see there's rust to the carpet edge fixings as well. And this is new carpet, so this has only just gone down. So yeah, this is not great. This is kind of the case in most of these joinery units. The bottom corners are wet, so there's going to have to be some resealing on the outside to stop this water coming in. Okay, thanks guys.